The Hare and the Tortoise. In a verdant meadow, where the sun's golden rays kissed the earth and the gentle breeze whispered through the leaves, there lived a hare, renowned far and wide for his swiftness. This hare, with his sleek fur and nimble legs, was the epitome of speed and agility. He often boasted of his unmatched prowess, much to the chagrin of the other woodland creatures. One fine day, as the hare was regaling his audience with tales of his lightning-fast escapades, a humble tortoise ambled by. The tortoise, with his sturdy shell and deliberate gait, was the antithesis of the hare. Yet, he possessed a quiet confidence and an unyielding spirit. Do you ever get anywhere with that slow pace of yours? The hare jeered, his voice dripping with condescension. The tortoise, undeterred by the hare's mockery, replied with a calm and measured tone, I may be slow, but I am steady. I propose a race to prove that perseverance can triumph over speed. The hare, amused by the audacity of the tortoise's challenge, readily agreed. The woodland creatures gathered to witness this unlikely contest, and a wise old fox was chosen to mark the course and officiate the race. As the race commenced, the hare darted forward with incredible speed, leaving the tortoise far behind. Confident in his inevitable victory, the hare decided to indulge in a leisurely nap beneath a shady tree, certain that he had ample time to rest before the tortoise could catch up. Meanwhile, the tortoise plodded along, his every step a testament to his unwavering determination. He moved steadily, never faltering, never doubting his ability to reach the finish line. As the sun began its descent, casting a warm, golden glow over the meadow, the tortoise approached the spot where the hare lay sleeping. Without a moment's hesitation, the tortoise continued on his path, inching ever closer to the finish line. When the hare finally awoke, he was startled to see the tortoise nearing the end of the race. Panicked, the hare sprang to his feet and dashed towards the finish line with all his might. But it was too late. The tortoise, with his steadfast resolve, crossed the finish line just moments before the hare. The woodland creatures erupted in cheers, celebrating the tortoise's unexpected victory. The hare, humbled and chastened, learned a valuable lesson that day, that arrogance and overconfidence are no match for perseverance and determination. And so, the tale of the tortoise and the hare became a timeless reminder that slow and steady wins the race.